Unlike the previous example where we multiply straight across, these, when they start to have pluses and minuses, we want to treat them a lot differently. So what we're going to do here is kick everything off by just factoring everything you can. So look at it like that's factorable. That's x plus 1, x minus 1. That can't be factored at all. This, you might not think you can factor, but there's a common factor in there, so you got to really watch out for those. That'll be 3, x plus 2. And then this last one is factorable. It'll be x and x. And to get a 3, I'll use a 3 and a 1 and a negative and a negative. So at the start of the problem, I'm kind of treating this problem as if it's 4 problems. I'm focusing on this, and if it's factorable, I'm factoring it. Then I'm focusing on this and factoring it. So I'm doing that, 4 separate times. And now that I got everything factored, we could write this all over one big expression. So this part I usually do mentally. Like in my brain, I recognize that this, the numerator, if I were to multiply it straight across, would be a 3, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. And the denominator would be x plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 1. And if it's the same on the top as it is on the bottom, I can cancel it off. So like these could cancel off, and these could cancel off, and we'd be left with as our final answer 3 times x plus 1 over x minus 3. Some people just from this step right away just do what I did over here. So they just notice that these would cancel off and these would cancel off. Anything that's the same on the top and on the bottom can go, and then whatever's left, that's your answer. I do want to point out I did not cross off these 3's because this is not a 3. I mean, it is a 3, but it's an x minus 3. Like this 3 is part of this entire piece, this whole thing. So you can't just cross off part of something. You can only cross off the entire factor or like an entire number, but not a 3 and a minus 3. It doesn't work that way. So you'll see that as you kind of go through the exercises and see how it works out.